Good morning. So today's topic in chemistry is tetrachloroethylene. Tetrachloroethylene is a volatile chlorinated organic hydrocarbon that is widely used as a solvent with the chemical formula C2Cl4. It is non-inflammable liquid at room temperature, evaporate easily into the air, and has a sharp sweet odor. Tetrachloroethylene, introduced in 1925, replaced the more toxic carbon tetrachloride as the standard drug for the treatment of infection with chlorine. Tetrachloroethylene is used as the displacement liquid because it because of its desirable rate of evaporation, when which allow excellent control of the evaporation step. So this is the formula of tetrachloroethylene. Then chemical property: it is dissolved in water and form dichloromethane and oxygen. The chemical equation is given here. Tetrachloroethylene react with the base like sodium hydroxide, resulting in the formulation of formic acid and sodium chloride. Next are the physical properties of tetrachloroethylene. Odor is ethereal odor. Appearance: clear, colorless, volatile liquid. Covalently bonded unit is 1. Heating capacity is it give 146 joules of energy at 250 degrees Celsius. It is soluble in water. So this complete its physical properties. Next are the uses of tetrachloroethylene. Tetrachloroethylene is used primarily as a cleaning solvent and as a chemical precursor for fluorocarbons. It is also used as antihelminthic, means in the treatment of hookworm infections, used in the transformer, paint remover, ink, adhesive formulation, paper coating, leather treatment, and in many cooling gas. It is commercially used as a chlorinated hydrocarbon solvent and chemical intermediate in the production of chlorofluorocarbons. Next is dichloromethane. Dichloromethane is a germinal organic compound and is also called methylene chloride or methylene dichloride. It can be obtained naturally from ocean source wetlands. The majority of dichloromethane in the environment is due to industrial emission. The chemical formula is CH2Cl2. Dichloromethane is a colorless liquid which has a sweet, penetrating, ether-like smell. It is volatile liquid, chlorinated hydrocarbon. It is non-combustible, but if exposed to the high temperature, it may produce toxic chloride fumes. At high concentration, vapors are narcotic. It is widely used as a paint remover and solvent. So this is the formula and the structure given in the slide. Next are the physical property. You can see molecular weight 18.93 gram per mole. Melting point is minus 96.7. Boiling point is 39.6 degrees Celsius. Next is use of dichloromethane. Dichloromethane is used as a solvent in food technology. It is used in aerosol formulations. It is also used as a solvent in the pharmaceutical companies for pharmaceutical product. It is used as a degreasing agent used in the manufacturing of electronics items. Next are production. So it was first prepared in 1939, in sorry 1839, and it is isolated from a mixture of chlorine and chloromethane which was exposed to the sunlight. This processed a mixture of chloromethane, chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, and a dichloromethane. Further, they were separated by the process of distillation. Health hazard: healing, inhalation. If we inhaling this, it cause irritation in the nose and throat. It affect the central nervous system. It was mutagen and anticipated to be a human carcinogen. Iodoform is an organoiodine compound which has a formula CHI3 and belong to the family of organic halogen compound. It is crystalline pale yellow substance which is volatile in nature. It has a penetrating and distinctive odor with a sweetish smell which is analog to chloroform. Smell of it was widely used in hospital, as it is commonly used as disinfectant antiseptic component of some medication due to its non-irritant action. Preparation and properties of iodoform. So this is the preparation. It is manufactured by electrolysis of aqueous solution containing acetone, inorganic iodine, and sodium carbonate. Iodoform is also known as triiodomethane, carbon tetraiodine, and methyl triiodine. The name are only because of presence of three iodine molecule in the compound. This wound dressing chemical cause a burning sensation when applied to open wounds. So it is very skin friendly chemical, and it does not cause any itching or irritation except that burning sensation when it is applied to the open wound. Next is use on a small scale. Iodoform is used as disinfectant. It is also used as antiseptic in the dressing of wounds and sores. It is also used as sterilizing instruments. It is an active ingredient for making of cat and dog powder along with the zinc oxide. It also facilitates the removal of ear hair. So this complete about the iodoform. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.